Hey guys, this is Rishabh Gang. I am a CA final student, and in this video, we are going to talk about the sequence in which you should be doing your CA final classes, as well as my personal experience regarding from where did I do my CA final coaching classes. Alright, so this is not a paid video, not a sponsored video. All these teachers are very successful in their teaching career, and they don't need me to promote them. As well as this is just a personal experience video. It is not a recommendation video. So you may I'm making this video because many people have been asking me regarding from where should they be doing their CA final coaching classes. So this is just a kind of guidance video regarding my personal experience, and if you want to learn from if you learn something from my personal experience or you get something useful from that, I would be very helpful. So that it is just a guidance video. The sequence in which you should be doing your CA final coaching classes, the sequence should be that you should be doing the subjects in which you will get less amendments first. Alright, so SFM and SCMP you get nil amendments most probably because the amendments are very less. Then audit and FR. Audit and FR, though they do get amendments, but comparatively they get less amendments. So do it after SFM and SCMP. Then after audit and FR, do law. And the last classes you should be doing is DT and IDT because they get lots of amendments, and these are so they get amendment during the budget and all. So they should be done at the last before the preparation leaves. And regarding your elective subject, one may choose to do a coaching class for that subject. Or one may also do a self-study. I personally did a coaching class for that subject as well because I like the guidance of a professional teacher in every subject. So one may do that elective subject even during the preparation leaves, considering they didn't get the time for doing it during the articleship time. Now let's talk about the personal experience from where did I do my coaching classes. In financial reporting, I did from Parveen Sharma sir. He's a wonderful teacher. All of you must be knowing about him. At the time I was doing my classes, I was not having too much of outstation audits. So it was feasible for me to go to the centers and see the satellite classes. In case one is having too much of outstation audits and it is not feasible for them because they will have to leave lots of classes because they have to go to the centers in their respective cities. So one may do pen drive classes as well. In pen drive classes, if I would have been having too much of outstation audits at that time, I would have chosen. I would have learned from CA Sarthak Jain. He's a wonderful teacher as well. In the past time, in the preparation league, I also saw some revision videos of Bhavik Choksi sir. He's also a wonderful teacher. I saw his revision videos, so one may also think about doing from them as well. Now come to the subject SFM. I did from Praveen Khatot sir. He is an Indore-based faculty, so he also offers. He has some pen drive classes as well. So I did from him. At that time, I was doing SFM. I had too much of outstation audits. That's why he was the pen drive classes facility was a very good one for me. Nowadays, Sanjay Saraf sir is also offering the pen drive classes. So one may make a choice between two of them. They are wonderful teachers. I actually studied SFM from Praveen Khatot sir, so that's why, and I was very satisfied with his teaching. So I studied, so I took in cost, that is SCMP, also from him only. So because I didn't want to take any risk and I was very sure regarding his teaching style, so I did SFM and SCMP both from Praveen Khatot sir. Then in law, law is a very debatable subject because it is a very interpretational subject. So a student may not or may like interpretation of one subject, and because of that, a person may have a different opinion towards a different teacher. I did from Darshan Khare sir. If another alternative which you may choose, which I would have chosen if I had known at that time, was Amit Popli sir. He's a wonderful teacher. I saw some of his revision videos during my preparation leave, and I was pretty much satisfied. So in law, I would have I did from Darshan Khare sir, but if I had known Amit Popli sir regarding that time, then I may have done from him as, only. The next subject is audit. I did from CA Sarthak Jain. He was a CA final All India ranker, and he had a very good experience on ITC. So that he shares lots of examples regarding his experience in ITC, as well as his other examples, which I found it very good in audit, because audit is a very theoretical subject now. So if you get some practical examples in that, it becomes very helpful. Then the next subject, SCMP, I did from Praveen Khatot sir, and I was very satisfied with his teaching. So and SCMP, the current subject of cost, it has lots of it has become very different from the past, from the old scheme. So I didn't want to take any risk in that. So I did from him, and I was very satisfied with this teaching. In the elective, I chose risk management. You don't have too much of options in risk management, so I did from Sanjay Saraf sir only. In direct taxes, I did from Bhavar Burana sir. Nowadays, he also has this pen drive option of his available for CA final classes. So I guess it was wonderful. He has this book called as Compact. This book is very helpful in your CA final exams, because it is a very concise notes available, and which is enough for you passing as well as getting an exemption in DT. So I was very satisfied with this teaching, Bhavar Burana sir, in direct taxes, as well as in IDT. I did from C. Rajkumar sir. My sister had taken the class from him in her CA final exams, and I have heard lots of good thing about him. So I thought to learn from him, and my experience was very good. One of the things which I liked about him was that the way he taught us, it seemed like a person in your family is teaching you. Like, there's too much of apnapan when he teaches us. It's just a personal experience which I had. Some people also do it from Vishal Bhattad sir. He's also a wonderful teacher, I am very sure. So one may do from any of them. I did from Raj Kumar sir, so I can tell about how he taught, and it was very satisfactory. So I hope this video was helpful to you. This is just a personal experience video, not a recommendation. Don't take it otherwise and start fighting in the comment section below. And this is not a paid video, it was just a personal experience, and I hope that you got a little bit idea regarding from where you can do it, because I have seen many other students taking a class because of discounts available from any, like for example, you take it from one academy, all right, and you have a combo offer there, and you took it because of discount or because of the persuasion of the salesperson there. So taking classes from the right teacher is very important, because CA final coaching classes are very long, right? So they vary from 150 hours to maybe 300 plus hours. So you want a very good teacher, not only to teach you the right subject, but because of the time span of the classes, you learn a lot about their way of living as well as their approach to life. So that would be very helpful to you. Like what I learned from Rajkumar sir is that he has mentioned in in many classes that a CA should be very brave. मतलब बोलते हैं ना निडर होना. So there are lots of things which you learn from different faculties. This is just an instance which I mentioned. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and if you have any queries and all, please let me know in the comment section below. If you like the video, please like it, and subscribe to the channel for more updates. So thank you guys for watching this video. This is Rishabh Gang signing off.